Don't be misled by the coins jingling in my pockets and my financial challenges, for I am a rich man, rich beyond comparison. Because with these coins as my witness, I have debated with Socrates, sat in a cell with George Jackson, went to Mecca with Malcolm X, critiqued the speeches of Bertrand Russell, questioned religion with Gerald Massey, armed myself alongside Robert Williams, found my roots with Alex Haley, refused to kill a Viet Cong with Muhammad Ali, understood the jungle with Upton Sinclair, been given poetic license with Khalil Gibran, witnessed my own death with Emmett Till, spoken to James Baldwin about the ridiculous nature of racism, the ridiculous nature of racism, the ridiculous nature of racism, seen beyond the surface with Helen Keller, listened to the caged birds sing with Maya Angelou, hungered for righteousness alongside Mahatma Gandhi, hungered for righteousness alongside Mahatma Gandhi, put my preaching into practice with John Brown, felt the God of Walden's Pond with Henry David Thoreau, defended the underdog with William Kunstler, tried to emulate the courage of Crazy Horse and hundreds of others just like these who have stopped by my room to put coins in my pocket, making me the richest man alive. So don't be misled by the lightness in my step. For the coins I possess outweigh every ounce of hatred, sexism, racism, oppression ever assembled. They are feather light, but oceans deep.